Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is on what you should be doing now that your pre-board exams are over. आपको अब क्या करना है आपके pre-board exam ख़त्म होने के बाद. So first thing and the most important thing is focus on the mistakes that you have made in your pre-board examination. आपके pre-board exam में आपने जो भी गलतियाँ की होगी आपको उन सबको अभी करेक्ट करना है, आपको उन सबको नोट डाउन करना है. यू कुड मेक अ नोटबुक फॉर योर मिस्टेक्स बिकॉज अभी आपको याद रखना है. यू कैनॉट जस्ट फॉरगेट द फैक्ट दैट आई मेड दिस मिस्टेक एंड जस्ट इग्नोर इट because maybe that question might come in your boards, right? So if there is any mistakes that you have made in your pre-boards and any mistake that you have made somewhere else, maybe when you gave any sample paper or stuff, you should write it down and you should remember it. आप like after some times आप उसको देखिए बार बार कि नहीं मैंने ये मिस्टेक किया था and this is the correct answer, so that you will also end up remembering the correct answer. Okay, and second thing, अगर आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है अभी तक तो आपको रिमेनिंग चैप्टर्स को कंप्लीट करना है. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू गेट ऑल योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर. ऐसा कुछ भी हो जो आपको लगता है कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, मेरे से लाइक आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, और ये मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि अब आप वो सब कम्प्लीटली क्लियर कर लीजिए. जो भी बाकी है, थोड़ा सा भी सिलेबस बाकी है, 1-2 चैप्टर बाकी है, डू वन थिंग, मेक अ टाइम टेबल इन द सेंस राइट वट एवर इज़ लेफ्ट उसको आप एक पेज में लिखिए और आप उसको टाइम दीजिए कि मैं इस दिन को ये करूँगी इतने टाइम, लाइक आई विल कंप्लीट दिस अप इन दिस डे. Schedule your time smartly. Like, whatever is left, you write it in a sheet of paper. I will attach how I used to plan my studies. Like, so you will just be like, this day I will be completing this. I will complete this chapter, I will revise this chapter, I will practice this. So divide your days like this, because now you have counted days. What I did was also I wrote all the days that I had, in a sheet of paper, and then I would go, cutting it off after a day is gone, and what I did in that day, I will just write it out. Sometimes it acts as a good motivation. If you have done a really good job in some days, then it will actually boost your confidence for the future as well. And the third most important thing is previous year questions. अब आपको previous year questions पे focus करना है, and you have to make sure that you're able to solve them. You're able to make answers with them. Answer framing, आपको अभी से answer framing practice करना है. Like maybe in pre-boards you were not able to write your answers in certain way that you wanted to, but अब आप practice शुरू कर दीजिए. आप flow charts बनाना, underline करना, अच्छे से points में लिखना, ये सब आप अभी से practice करना शुरू कर दीजिए. Okay, and also make sure that you are able to manage your time. अगर ऐसा हुआ है कि in pre-boards you were not able to complete your paper in time, तो you need to practice sample papers now. Okay, because you have to in both you have to complete your paper within those 3 hours, so you have to practice sample papers. You have to time yourself up and complete the paper in 3 hours itself. Okay, but if in pre-boards you were able to, like at least अगर आपने 2 pre-boards दिए होंगे और आपका like you were able to complete it in 3 hours, then it's fine, but still practice your writing. It will just boost your confidence. And yes, something that is important is you have to revise again and again. आपका like syllabus एक बार ख़त्म हो जाए उसके बाद आपको revision करते रहना है. You cannot just be like I'll be focusing on some certain subject and I'll be ignoring all the subjects. आप भूल जाएंगे. Trust me, if you do not revise, you will end up forgetting most of the material and it will be hard to learn it again, right? So you have to revise again and again. Again, make your revision interesting. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको वही NCERT बार बार पढ़ना है, नहीं, वो मत कीजिए आप. You can, watch explanation videos, you can watch rapid revision videos, MCQ videos, use whatever suits you, whatever you feel like, but use different resources to learn the same thing. ऑलराइट, सो आपका पढ़ाई भी थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा. एक ही चीज़ बार बार किताब लेके बैठने में भी मन नहीं करता ना, तो आप चलते चलते वीडियो सुन लीजिए. एंड अगैन आपका प्री बोर्ड्स का जो भी रिजल्ट आए, लेट्स नॉट फोकस ऑन दैट. उसमें ज़्यादा ध्यान मत दीजिए. बहुत अच्छा आया है, गुड, बट स्टिल डोंट बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट विद दैट. अगर बुरा आया है इट्स ओके, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू बेटर इन बोर्ड्स. ओके, सो द थिंग इज़ अभी बोर्ड्स बाकी है, so focus on that and don't worry, you will be doing really good. Okay, so good luck with your studies, and now please focus, start managing your time, start managing your day. आप सुबह उठने के बाद फॉलो अ स्केड्यूल कि मैं लाइक यू आर डिवोटिंग योर टाइम टू स्टडीज़, कि मैं डेली इतना इतना तो पढ़ूंगी ही, कि मेक श्योर दैट यू आर स्टडिंग. बिकॉज अभी सी दिस इज़ द टाइम व्हेन यू नीड टू कम्प्लीटली फोकस ऑन स्टडी, बिकॉज अभी और कुछ भी नहीं करना है आपको. बस like you need to keep on revising and studying and doing your best. Okay, also please prioritize your sleep schedule. Do not have a very weird sleep schedule, I would say. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बस 4 घंटा सो रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Have proper 8 hours of sleep. No matter what, no matter how much you've studied, no matter whatever is going on, try to focus on the fact that you are having at least 8 hours of sleep. उससे ज़्यादा भी ज़्यादा हो जाता है. 8 घंटा is like moderate and enough. So please have 8 hours of sleep and focus on your health. Your health comes first. And yes, and please study and work and do whatever you like to do, but take out your time for study. Make sure that every day that you're waking up to study. Okay, so this is it. I hope this video helps, and please do like, subscribe, and share it with those you think might be benefited with this from this video. So bye bye, good luck with your studies.